Tara, samahan niyo akong silipin at akyatin ang taas nito.
So dito sa taas pwede pa daw. Ito talaga siyang mansion siya.
O diba, sinong hindi marirelax habang nagda-dine-in sa pa-music nila?
So may dining pa rin siya dito. So do not enter na. Ay, may maliit pa dito parang terrace. Overlooking din siya ng labas.
Pumunta kami dito ng weekdays kaya wala masyadong tao. Cabecera Cafe is known for its artistic flair. The walls are adorned with beautiful artworks, making it a favorite spot for art enthusiasts. Cabecera Cafe promises a delightful and seamless dining experience with its exceptional service, inviting ambience, and diverse menu. This cafe and resto aims to provide a dining experience that exceeds expectations.
Try natin umakyat dito. Taas. Kung ano itsura niya.
So dito sa veranda ay marami pang mauupuan at glass wall siya.
So ito yung taas. Pwede ka mag-dine in dito.
For an unforgettable cafe experience that combines breathtaking views with delicious coffee and treats, Cabecera Cafe is a must-visit destination. Kita mo dito ang Angono, Binangonan at Metro Manila skyline. The cafe's spacious interior and elegant decor make it an ideal venue for special occasions and events.